Hey viewers, you are watching this video and I am Shudha. A strong storm accompanied by heavy rain and hail hit several parts of Manipur on Sunday, causing damage to houses, structures and standing crops. The storm also disrupted power supply in multiple areas. The severe weather began the late Saturday night and continued into Sunday morning. Many standing crops, including cabbage, peas and beans, were destroyed in Bishnupur and Kakching districts. Local residents reported significant damage to homes, particularly in Moirang near Loktak Lake in Bishnupur district. Roads, villages and paddy fields were covered in a white layer of hail following a sudden 30-minute storm around 1 p.m. Similar incidents were reported in Tentha area in Thobal district, Sigmaijin in Kangching district and Champu Kangpok, a floating village on Loktak Lake. However, no human casualties were reported. Jiribam, located on the western edge of the state near Assam's Kachhat district, experienced particularly heavy rainfall. The Indian Meteorological Department recorded 176.2 mm of rainfall in Jiribam, while Imphal Airport recorded 15.3 mm. In response, Manipur Chief Minister issued directions to officials to take necessary measures to help affected families. In a post on X, he said relief teams have been activated to ensure timely assistance and access to essential needs. The government stands firmly with every affected citizens and will continue to monitor the situation closely. District authorities also issued a public advisory for residents and farmers. People working outdoors were asked to remain alert and take precautions. The advisory urged residents to avoid unnecessary travel during periods of heavy rain and to stay away from flood or landslide prone areas. Citizens were advised to prepare emergency kits with essential items, secure loose objects around their homes and report any emergency. The hailstorm caused not only property damage but also significant losses for farmers, with crops destroyed at a time when many were nearing harvest. Local authorities are working to assess the full extent of damage of homes and farmland. Residents of affected areas are urged to follow official guidance and stay indoors until the storm passes. Relief teams have been mobilized to provide assistance and support for families whose homes were damaged. Authorities continue to monitor weather conditions closely to prevent further damage and ensure safety across the state. The storm serves as a reminder of the importance of preparedness during extreme weather events, especially in regions like Manipur, where sudden hailstorms and heavy rains can cause severe disruption to daily life. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.